Mutation. A mutation is a sudden change in a gene or chromosome which may be due to errors in the copying of chromosomes. A mutation changes the way an organism develops, as new forms of the gene result from these changes in the existing genes. Gene mutation. Faulty genes can have adverse effects. You can have extra fingers or toes from gene mutation. The disease cystic fibrosis is also caused by a gene mutation. The person in the above animation has 6 fingers. Chromosome mutation. Down syndrome can occur through chromosome mutation. This is when a woman produces an egg with 24 chromosomes instead of 23. This results in the fertilized egg having 47 chromosomes instead of 46. Some diseases may be inherited. Occasionally, some people inherit genes that do not work properly and as a result have a disease. The above diagram illustrates the transmission of haemophilia from Queen Victoria through the royal family. Cystic fibrosis. This is a disease where a person's lungs make a thick, sticky mucus. This mucus blocks the air passages and tubes that carry digestive juices to the gut. This causes the person to have difficulty breathing. There is no cure. Children are treated by chest physiotherapy in an attempt to loosen the mucus from the lungs. Mucus is a very good breeding ground for germs, and consequently sufferers often get infections. Each infection causes lung damage, which results in the child becoming ill. Cystic fibrosis is caused by a recessive allele. Recessive alleles are those which are only expressed if they are present together. In other words, if you only have one recessive allele, i.e. you are a carrier, you do not suffer from the disease. If you have 2 recessive alleles, you will inherit the disease. If both parents are carriers, we can say that the mother has 2 alleles, big C, little c. Father has 2 alleles, big C, little c. They are both heterozygous people who do not have the disease. Instead, they are carriers. However, if their child inherits both recessive alleles, they will have the disease. Other inherited diseases. Haemophilia. This is a disease where the person's blood doesn't clot. Huntington's chorea. This is a rare inherited disease which causes the person's brain cells to degenerate, making their movements very clumsy. They will eventually become disabled. This disease is caused by a dominant allele of a gene and can therefore be passed on by only one parent who has the disorder.